Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to identify and install Intel Graphics Controller on your computer. Copy URL from description and paste it into browser search bar. Click download now. Click keep to download file. Open downloaded file. Click run. Click I agree, install. Click launch. Scanning your system. Intel HD Graphics. Click update available. Click download. Click install now. Click next. Click next. Click next. Click finish to restart your system. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.